Icing On top exclusive buttercream cake decorating book is now available for purchase on Amazon. Here's a little sneak peek inside the book. There's 148 pages of step-by-step beautiful picture tutorials throughout the entire book. So many of my favorite buttercream recipes you will find in this book, whether you're piping or just making flavorful cupcakes. I adore buttercream flowers, and you're going to see a lot of those in this book too. It has a whole section just for those. And of course, we have to include our holiday cupcakes. One of the very unique things about this book are the many QR codes that link most of the tutorials to a video tutorial, so you can also watch along as you make it. And they're from all skill ranges, from basic to advanced. It's now available on Amazon for print and Kindle.